Welcome all FYBSc students. Today we study last point of the chapter. The name of point is application of various wave in electromagnetic spectrum. First is radio waves. Radio waves are used in radio broadcasting and transmission of TV signals. Cellular phones use radio waves to transmit voice communication in ultra high frequency. Radio waves are used in satellite communication, computer networking, and radio communication. They are also used in navigation, traffic control, and remote control toys. Radio waves are used in remote sensing and in radar systems, where they release into energy and collect the bounce energy back. Radio waves are longer than optical waves. Radio telescope work differently than the telescope we use for visible light. The Giant Microwave Radio Telescope GMRT, located 80 km north of Pune, that is in Khodad Narangaon in India. It is an array of 30 fully steerable parabolic radio telescope of 45 meter diameter, observing at meter wavelength. GMRT will be very versatile instrument for investigating a variety of astrophysical problems ranging from our nearby solar system to the edge of the observable universe. The main objectives are to detect the highly red-shifted spectral line of neutral hydrogen expected from protocluster or protogalaxies before they condense to form galaxies in the early phase of universe. To search and study rapidly rotating pulsar in our galaxy. Then second is microwaves. Due to their short wavelength, they are suitable for the radar systems used in aircraft navigation. Shorter microwaves are used in remote sensing. These microwaves are used for radar like Doppler radars to predict weather forecasts. Before fiber optics energy was introduced, microwaves were used in making long distance phone cells. Bluetooth devices are made with the help of microwaves. Microwave ovens are interesting domestic application of these waves. In ovens, the frequency of microwave is selected to match the resonant frequency of water molecules so that energy from the waves is transferred efficiently to the kinetic energy of the molecules. This raises the temperature of any food containing water. Microwave can be used to broadcast information through space as well as to warm the food. Then third one is infrared waves. Infrared radiation is used in industrial, scientific, military and medical applications. Night vision device use active near infrared illumination. Infrared telescope uses sensor equipped telescope to penetrate dusty region of space, detect objects such as planets and red-shifted object in universe. Infrared waves are referred as heat waves because water molecules present in most material absorb infrared waves, and after absorption their thermal motion increases. Due to this, they heat their surroundings. Hence, infrared lamps are used in physical therapy. Infrared radiation also plays a significant role in keeping Earth warm or average temperature through the greenhouse effect. Incoming visible light is absorbed by Earth's surface and re-radiated as infrared radiations. These radiations are trapped by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and water vapor. Infrared detectors are employed in Earth satellites both for military purpose and for monitoring growth of crops. Electronic devices like LEDs also emit infrared, which are used in remote controls. Infrared is used in the production of night vision devices such as sniper scope. This radiation is also useful in making thermographic cameras and for identifying molecules of chemical compounds. Next one is visible light. The wavelength of visible light is between 380 to 740 nanometer and frequency is about 405 to 790 Hz. The colors in the visible spectrum include red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Visible light is important to humans because we use this light to see images of anything with our eye. Certain elements in atmosphere absorb certain colors of light. In this way, the absorbed lines within spectra acts as fingerprints for atoms and molecules. The dark or black lines in solar spectrum are known as Fraunhofer lines. About 25,000 Fraunhofer lines exist in the solar spectrum. Visible light has many applications in optics, material sciences, laser sciences, photography, film industry, cinema halls and all other places where light is needed. Visual light communication, called as VLC, is attractive technique for future communication. Next is ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light has longer wavelength than X-rays and gamma rays. It cannot be seen with human eye but can be detected by the skin when the sun's intensity is high. UV light is widely used in industrial processes and in medical and dental practice such as to kill bacteria, phototherapy and sun tanning. Hospitals use UV lamp to sterilize surgical equipments. Suitable doses of UV rays causes the body to produce vitamin D and some skin disorder. UV radiation can be focused into very narrow beam for high precision applications such as LASIK, laser assisted in situ keratomyelitis eye surgery. UV lamps are used to kill germs in water purifiers. UV rays are employed in UV lithography, UV photoelectron spectroscopy, barcoding, fluorescence analysis, protein analysis, DNA sequencing, medical imaging of cell and light therapy. They are also used in ink printer. Next is the X-rays. Behind the UV region of EM spectrum lies the X-ray region and have wavelengths from 10 raised to minus 8 meter to 10 raised to minus 13 meter. They are used as a diagnostic tool in medicine and as treatment for certain forms of cancer. Because X-rays damages or destroy living tissues and organism, so care must be taken to avoid overexposure. X-ray film photographs of patient body is used in diagnosis. It is used in airport security to identify hidden object in body or luggage. X-ray crystallography is a technique used for determining the atomic and molecular structure of a crystal. X-ray diffraction is a unique method in determination of crystalline structure. XRD determines grain size, structure of crystal, and plane Miller indices of crystal. Next one is gamma rays. Gamma rays have very high energy, so can be used to find faults in metal. The gamma rays cause cancer, but they are useful in radiotherapy for the destruction of cancer cells. Gamma rays are ionizing radiation which can kill living cells. They are used to treat tumor in radiotherapy. They can also act as a surgical knife in surgery. They are used in the measurement of soil density, packing of food and drugs, sterilizing medical equipment. So, after that, we see some problems. Here, there are some solved problems. So, we take one by one. Problem first is calculate the energy of a photon of yellow light with a frequency of 5.25 into 10 raised to 14 Hz. Give the energy in both joule and electron volt. Here 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Now the energy of photon is given by formula E equal to h into nu. So here we substitute the values. The value of h, that means Planck's constant, is 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second, and value of frequency as we have given provided here 5.25 into 10 raised to 14 Hertz. So this calculation gives, when we multiply these two factors, we will get 3.48 into 10 raised to 19 joule. So we have to convert this into electron volt. Therefore we divide this value by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. So here is calculation. So we will get answer 2.80 electron volt. This is the energy of photon. Okay. Then second problem is, what is the wavelength of a wave with a frequency of 4.28 gigahertz? Then we have to calculate here wavelength of the wave which have the frequency 4.28 gigahertz. So the formula of wavelength is lambda equal to c upon nu. Here c is the velocity of light. So we put the values 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second upon value of frequency is 4.28 into 10 raised to 9, because the frequency here is given in gigahertz. So we have to convert it into hertz by multiplying 10 raised to 9 factor. So the answer is 0.07 meter. Okay. The third problem is, what is the frequency of a wave with a wavelength of 200 centimeter? Here we have to calculate the frequency and we have given wavelength. So for frequency the formula is nu equal to c upon lambda. Again putting the value of velocity of light, and we put here the value of wavelength, that is 200 centimeter, that is equal to 2 meter. So after this calculation we get 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 hertz, the value of frequency. Okay. Then fourth problem is a radio transmit a frequency of 100 hertz. What is the wavelength of this wave? Right? Here frequency is given and we have to calculate the wavelength. So again formula is lambda equal to c upon nu. So substituting the value of velocity of light and frequency. So when we substitute the values, we will get the answer 3 into 10 raised to 6 meter, which is the value of wavelength. Okay. Then last problem 5. What is the wavelength of microwave that has a frequency of 4.2 into 10 raised to 8 hertz? Again we have to calculate the wavelength. The formula is lambda equal to c upon nu. Substituting values, 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 4.2 into 10 raised to 8, we will get 0.714 meter. That is the value of wavelength. Okay. So with this lecture, there is overall chapter 4 with problem. So there is completion of the chapter 4th with the problem. Thanks.